Our Pro Hammocks epitomise City Summit's design ethos. High quality technical gear that is durable and easy to use. We set out to improve every aspect of existing lightweight hammocks. Construction, materials, weight, bulk and ease of use. After extensive analysis, we have constructed our Pro Hammocks using soft 40 denier ripstop nylon and a triple bar tacked to high strength steel plated buckles which integrate seamlessly with our Quick Connect suspension straps. All hammocks include an extra long 30 denier ultra seal compression sack to accommodate the suspension straps along with the hammock. The Pro measures 3 metres long and 1.5 metres wide for the single and 1.9 metres wide for the double, giving a comfortable length and width no matter the size of the user. Available in 3 vibrant colours, the Pro Hammock is a technical upgrade to the traditional lightweight hammock, weighing less than 500 grams and compressing down to 12 centimetres.
So to take off the rain fly for pack down, just unclip the 2 front corners first, leaving the tail clipped on because we're going to use that to pull against later on. Then you unclip the wings from the pegging out points, and then you can just pull the fly sheet off. It's still attached at the tail, so we've got something to pull against. We'll take the 2 front corners of the rain fly and bring them together like that, folding it in half and in half again. And once more. At that point, we can lay it down on the ground, unclip the last C-clips from the ratchet handle, bring that up towards the front so that all the clips are in one place, and then we'll roll forwards, getting all the air out. Once I'm nearly there, I like to just fold everything back, keep all the edges inside the fold, nice and neat. Clip belt that, ready to pack your fly away. Then you simply release the poles by pushing up, taking the pole socket out and letting it go. Push up, take it out, letting it go. Taking them out like that, ready for folding. And then we can take down the tent, take out the strap tidy, feeding the end of the strap through the locking mechanism and the handle to create yourself a loop, walking it round and releasing it. You'll find that a little wiggle will release the girth hitch on the D-ring, allowing you to remove the ratchet easily. Take one of the D-rings, fold it over to another, take out any kinks, and then take the 2 D-rings and fold them back over to about 2/3 of the way, 1/3 of the way, drop. Take that last corner, bring it to the front. I like to crease it until we reach the hatch and then take the rest of the tail and drop it in. Then you can fold it over in half like that. I like to fold it so that the hatch is then on top, which means that it's protected within the fold. When we get to about there, I like to do a little bit of a back fold just to protect these edges. Not necessary, but personal preference. Take your clip bracelet, and ready to go back in the bag. Tree wraps, spare bag, there are your eye patches, pegs. Clip the bag together, cinch tight.
Introducing the Wise Owl Outfitters Single Owl and Double Owl Hammock. Our hammocks are made of the highest quality materials. Although the nylon is very strong and can hold up to 500 pounds, it remains very soft. Similar to bed sheets, the higher the thread count, the softer the sheet. We use a silky smooth 210T nylon fabric for these hammocks, and our seams are stitched with triple interlocking stitching for ultimate security. You also have an attached bag that doubles as a storage pocket while inside your hammock. These hammocks come with two 9-foot-long hammock straps with 10 different connection points combined. These allow you to easily hang your hammock anywhere in just a minute or so. To set up your hammock, find 2 trees that are about 12 to 20 feet apart and wrap the strap around the first tree. Put the end with several loops through the end with just one loop that also has the logo on it. Do the same on the other tree. Then grab your hammock and clip one carabiner to one of the loops on the strap. Repeat on the other end. If your hammock is hanging too low, you can adjust to another loop. Adjust the straps higher or lower on the tree. Or, if your trees are a little too close together, you can also wrap the strap around the tree more than once. Once your hammock is attached, you'll want to clear the area below it so there are no sticks or anything sharp. You also want to ensure that it is hanging at about 18 inches from the ground to easily get in and out of your hammock. Before you jump in, please test the connections and the setup by pushing down on the hammock with a lot of pressure and pulling at the straps on the trees. Best way to enter your hammock is stand in front of it and open it behind you. Sit down and then swivel to the side. The most comfortable way to lie in your hammock will be at an angle. The single owl is great for one person, and the double owl is perfect for 2 people or 1 person who wants a little more space. The single is 9 feet long by 4.5 feet wide, and the double is 10 feet long by 6.5 feet wide. We are Wise Owl Outfitters. Years ago, we set out to make an awesome, high-quality hammock at a reasonable price. Since our first hammock, we've expanded our product line to include many useful and eye-catching products under the Wise Owl brand. We're located in the beautiful state of Tennessee and take great pride in being a U.S. company. We strive every day to improve our design, technology, and processes to offer the best and most useful outdoor gear and products possible. We hope our gear can give you a reason to get outside and enjoy our beautiful world.
Flite is our lightweight 2-person camping tree tent. At 4 kilos, just under 9 pounds, this model has a load capacity of 220 kilos, which is 485 pounds. The tent is rated for 4 seasons and consists of a 2-grade no-seam insect mesh covering with 2-door entry and a removable fly sheet with a waterproof rating of 3000 HH, which comes in a range of colours. When pegged out, the fly sheet offers 5 square meters or 50 square feet of covered area at ground level.